How to fix Football Manager 2023 unusual screen when launching. 1. Backup then remove cache and preferences folder. 1.1 Windows 11/10/8.1. C:\users\left bracket your Windows username here /local/local/sports interactive/football manager title. 1.2. Windows 7, C:\users\left bracket your Windows username /appdata/local/sports interactive/football manager title. Refer to the IMG below. 2. Verify game files. 2.1 in Steam Launcher. Like this. 2.2. Epic Games. 2.3. For Xbox app players, follow this path. Xbox Store installed Football Manager, 3 dots, Advanced Options Reset Repair. 3. Change launch options. In Steam, input small_screen windowed. 3.2. Epic Games Launcher, use small_screen windowed as well. Source and additional help, https://support.sega.com/hc/n-us 0003596816145-what-do-if-the-game-screen displays strangely in Football Manager.